Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eddie. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we are going to talk about how to achieve luxury without going broke. We don't want to go broke while trying to get that luxury item we've been dreaming of. So, what is luxury? Yeah, we already know luxury is a state of being comfortable or elegant at a great expense. Did you hear that? Great expense. It all boils down to money. Money, money, money. So, how can we do that in the process of not getting broke? Yours might be a car, a fast car. Someone else's might be that bag, that very expensive bag, while others might be fine dining, going on vacation with friends or going solo traveling. Varieties. It might be bags, it might be shoes, it might be whatever money can buy. But the thing is that luxury isn't cheap. It isn't cheap. It always comes at a price. So today, the first tip I'm going to give on how to actually be able to afford that luxury item or that luxury lifestyle is your spending plan, your financial plan, or budgeting, as the case may be. We just have to try to make provision, firstly, for those things that are actually necessary, that are very necessary for us to survive as humans, for us to actually thrive. We just have to make provision for our food, our grocery shopping, maintenance, your health, emergency fund. We just have to firstly try to budget those money aside, because those are very important. Without you having good health, or without you having good food to be able to, for your body to survive, you can't enjoy that luxury lifestyle. So the first thing is that we should be able to plan our finance. How does this work? Get those things that are more important, and you can save up for that luxury item you want to purchase. My next point is that don't be afraid to test the waters. What do I mean by that? Don't be afraid to try small, like try purchasing or going into that lifestyle in a gradual process. Trust me, if you go into it in full force, you will crash, except you're from a wealthy family. But if you're just trying to make ends meet, or just like a normal person, you're not from the royal family, or you're not from a very wealthy family, it's very important to take one step at a time. Meaning, for instance, if you love leather goods, like you are obsessed with leather items, you want to get that leather bag or that leather shoe, I would advise for you to start small by getting pouches, key ring holder, wallets, stuff like that, small leather goods first. That way you'll be able to acquire knowledge of that item you love so much. You'll be able to get knowledge, get the price, where to get it, how to go about it, where to get it even cheaper, bargain. Talking about starting small, you can even source for those luxury items in the thrift shop. Don't forget the thrift shop. I have a video of thrift shopping, my best tip on thrift or charity shopping. I'll just link it up so that you can go and watch it. That will help you on getting those luxury, very expensive items. You can also, if you are like obsessed over gold jewelry, for instance, you can actually start by getting a little loop first, or a bracelet or an anklet first. Try to know how gold works, how it's weighed, how it's sold, how much it's sold for, where to get the best price, which is fake, which is genuine. I know all of those good stuff. You have to be knowledgeable about where you are keeping that money, because come to think of it, some people can actually make more money getting that luxury lifestyle, because most of these luxury items, they are investment pieces. you can resell them for even higher value. So they appreciate with time. So it's important for you to actually get proper knowledge and start small. That way, starting small, another advantage of starting small is that you might decide that, well, I've tested the waters and I have now discovered that this is not my interest. I'm no longer interested in purchasing gold, or I'm no longer interested in leather. It doesn't give me that satisfaction that I want. It doesn't give me that happiness. It doesn't excite me in any way. Then you can be able to, sh- transfer your interest elsewhere. Talking about starting small. So when I was in the university, I had this neighbor that loves to put on gold jewelry. So she's my neighbor and a friend as well. She loves putting on gold. She started small. She started very small. She was just buying just little loops and bracelet, just a chain and a locket and a charm. She was just building her collection gradually. And she saw that she loves it. She loved the gold. She will bathe with them. She would actually be under the rain with them. They don't tarnish. They were still very, and I don't know, she just fell in love with that and started buying more and more. And so as time goes on, people started seeking her opinion about gold. People started asking her, how did you get this gold? Can I get it? Where can I get it? And to be honest with you, she started traveling from the southern part to the northern part of Nigeria to get those gold. She bought a scale and she started weighing them, and she would put her profit. She would travel, she would buy lots of them, and she would sell most of the ones she was already putting on. So from there, she started getting profit, and that was like a business to her already. So when she comes back from the where she has gone to get a supply, you will see the hostel is filled with both male and female students trooping in to get gold from her. In other words, she's an expert in what she loves. That has brought me to my third point. Turn your passion to business. So, if you are in love with that lifestyle, trust me, you can turn it into business, because as you start small, you will become an expert on it. You will have more knowledge on how it is done. You will understand how it is done. You will understand the pricing. You understand so many things in that lifestyle, and you can make money from it. You can make good money from it. At least you can make passive income from it. There are some people that would acquire bags and shoes and clothes. Those things can be used to you can actually rent them to your friends, to your family, open a website or a social media account. You can rent them. That's why the rich get richer, because you see those yachts, they don't just stay in the water. Those yachts are for people that are very wealthy. They love having it, but at the same time, they actually put it on rent. So people, tourists can come and rent it for a day or two, or for a birthday party or so. So in that case, you are actually making money from your lifestyle, from what you love. So that's a very good step I think we can imbibe, just turning that which you love so much into profit making machine. And I tell you, be an expert. People will love that, and you will be fulfilled. There's nothing like doing something you actually love from your heart. So the next tip I will give to you is to harness your extra skill and your spare time. What does that mean? So you might be someone that loves braiding, and you have so much time in your hands. Why not go into social media and just put it on Facebook Marketplace to say, yes, this is what I do, and people will book you. And that spare cash can go into you being able to, you can put that in whatever you want to put as your luxury, as the case may be. So that is that. If you're good in painting, like skills that you know you are good at, and of course there's no one that is useless. Everyone have a special skill they can actually offer to people for money. So if you're good at any kind of skill, I'd advise you to put it out there. Tell families, tell friends, and people will patronize you. People would seek your opinion. Some people are very good at organizing. So trying to organize an event, a party planner, it's a very good idea as well. So if you're good at painting, braiding, just different things, because come to think of it, the cost of living crisis and the inflation, and things are quite hard. That has made lots of people not being able to afford that desired luxury lifestyle. So if you can harness your extra skill and your free time, use your free time to do something for someone that will bring value to them, and in exchange they will pay you for that. Some of us are very versatile in some areas that people tend to seek advice from us, and we somehow just give solution to that problem. As long as you are solving a problem for someone, and as long as there's demand for whatever you can offer, whatever value you can offer, I tell you, you can make money from it. It's just for you to package it. Social media is now readily available to everyone, so you can actually make money through social media, through the medium of social media. You can make money, you can advertise yourself, sell yourself out there. It's like everyone is out there in the social media marketplace, and everyone is ready as long as you package yourself very well and you take the right step. I tell you, you can get extra cash to sustain that luxury lifestyle which you desire. So finally, I would say saving for that luxury item would enable you to actually value it, and you would pay more attention to it, you will care more for it, and stuff like that. So what I have to say to you is that you can do it. You can live that luxury lifestyle you so desire. It's at the tip of your finger. You just have to take this step, and yeah, you can actually do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you sticking to this time. So please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and share it to your friends, to your family, to your loved ones, though I'm sure they would love to see this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel, because a lot of you watching my video haven't subscribed. I'll be very glad to have you as a family in my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.